Alright guys, so I'm also going to share with you guys this Godox V480. This is the latest and the greatest flash. I love this flash. This is exactly the flash that I've been waiting for. So I do love using my V1 and V100. The V100 is an upgrade of a V1. It's everything that's V1 with a round head. Super powerful, but it has a touchscreen. That's the latest and the greatest. So this is actually my very favorite when it comes to shooting a big wedding or big gigs or any event that you know you have to bring your very best equipment to because they're paying the big bucks, right? You want to show off with their biggest and the best gears. And even at that, it's still super affordable compared to the brand flashes that are starting at $500-600. This is in the $300 category. So my favorite flash. But I shoot a lot of events, birthday parties, quinceañeras, and things like that I actually don't need the huge flash to carry around because it is tedious, right? Have this on your camera, and if you have it strapped up, you might hit something. So there's a lot of reasons why I would leave this at my house and bring my TT350, the smallest flash in my arsenal. Just because it's the tiniest flash, it's super mobile. I do have to admit, the power isn't there. Sometimes I kind of need a little bit more power, a little bit more accuracy, but I could get by and it's comfortable. I had to always decide between the two. Now, the V480 just came out. This is just in the middle. You got the big V1, V100, and it's smaller. It's so tiny. I love how tiny this is, but still slightly bigger than my TT350. And the latest technology is that it has a touchscreen on the back. The V480 also has TTL. Of course, that's automatic mode. Not all flash has TTL. I have a Godox TT520. It's a full manual flash. That's the most affordable flash that comes with a remote trigger. But this doesn't have TTL, and the TTL technology makes it a little bit more expensive. And all that TTL is through the lens. That's the abbreviation for it, and it just means it's automatic mode. It's just, it'll flash for you. So you could go to TTL mode if you don't want to deal with manually setting your flash. It's got high-speed sync, meaning that if your shutter is above 200, 250 and above, like 1,000, 2,000 and so on, your flash will not work with your camera. High-speed sync is my favorite when it comes to photography, daytime photography, because you could use a light during the day where your shutter has to be at 1,000, 2,000 and get some awesome creative photos. The touchscreen is super awesome. It's like your phone. You slide down for the menu. You could slide left and right for the strength of the power. You could click on the bottom screen for manual or TTL mode. It's very responsive. But if you don't want to touch the screen because it does create smudges all the time, you could just use the dial too. You could go to the next menu by using the dial and push the button on the middle to select it. The power button is the home button. It goes back. So very easy to use. There's only a couple of buttons in here, so that makes it super easy to use, but it has every feature that you need in a Speedlight. It has a LED light. It'll light them up with an LED light, autofocus assist light, and it'll then focus your camera, so then you could then properly get focused photo. But a bonus is that you can slide down the menu, turn on modeling lamp, and it turns into a modeling lamp. Yes, modeling lamp means that you use the flash to light your subject, so you kind of have an idea where the light is hitting the person and so on. But this LED light is strong enough to use with your photo. You could adjust the strength. It's strong enough to get a ring shot. You know what I mean? When you're at a wedding, you could get a ring shot with this LED light, or just put this on top of your camera and just use the continuous light and take photos of them dancing and so on. So it's really neat. It's bright. I think it's brighter than my phone. It comes with a rechargeable lithium battery. This gives you 680 photos at full power at a single charge. So that's a lot of power in this thing. And the battery has a USB-C connector. So they don't give you a charger. Now they just give you this kind of battery with a USB-C connector. So you could charge this anywhere. You could charge this with your iPhone USB-C cable, my MacBook charger. So every battery should now just have a USB-C in the back instead of getting a actual charger for it. Because I got so much battery chargers. It's a mess. So that's the new tech now. Every battery is going to come with this. So this high capacity battery also allows you to flash one in every 1.7 seconds. All right, guys, so I do have the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. Please go to cameratofreedom.com. That's my website where you can hook me up with your email. I'm trying to create a community where I could just send all my knowledge out. We're made to share, and that's all I'm trying to do. Leave me a comment. Your comment will help me out big time. So I will answer anything and everything about photography. All right, and I will see you next time. Cool flash.